Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to transform text with Telegram AI editor. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So it's a very simple and easy process. All you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Telegram application. Once you've done that, simply go to the messages. You want to go ahead and have the AI Telegram editor. Go to the messages and you need to have at least 3 messages down. So let's say right over here. All you need to do is click on the AI tab on the top right hand right over here, and there are multiple things you can do. So the first thing is going to be translating. So you can translate from English to other languages, any languages you want. You can also emojify the word if you want to. You can also go ahead and choose styles of the text, so formal, short, tribal, corp, biblical, Vikings, Zen, and so on. And you can also go ahead and fix if there are any messages or mistakes. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.